So even though we're not going to get in any way possible a Surface Duo 3, this patent from Microsoft went ahead and got approved as of last month. And this patent right here, what is it? Well, it's a special cover that goes on the hinge of a foldable device, which obviously, we think would be with the, Surface Duo 3. And it makes the foldable device dust-proof and waterproof. So, for example, if this is a Z Fold device right here, right? This special plate, this cover plate right here, goes on the hinge so that all the gaps and all the areas that would be, open to having stuff go in, dust and water, cannot go in anymore. Now, just even more insane, the fact that Microsoft could have made a Surface Duo 3, could have made an amazing device, with the fact that they had the ability to waterproof their next Surface Duo device, which I feel like if you made the Surface Duo 2 waterproof, maybe fixed the whole camera system a little bit, worked on software, you could have yourself the best foldable phone out there. I digress from that subject. This is now very interesting, not just because of, oh, cool, yeah, patent, whatever. Microsoft could create this, but not a Surface Duo 3. They could create this and sell it to Samsung and all these other foldable phone manufacturers and protect the hinge on all these other foldable cell phones. So that's actually a realistic possibility here. While, yes, it's not going to give us a Surface Duo 3, it could make all the foldable phones moving forward very much dust resistant. And that's something that we have not seen yet on a foldable cell phone. I know we have one coming out very soon from Vivo, which is going to be dust resistant. But other than that, we have not seen a dust resistant cell phone. So Microsoft might have a little bit of say / a little bit of help. Ironically enough, I think this is the last thing we expected was for Microsoft to work their way back into the foldable phone industry, but this time not by creating a foldable phone, this time by actually creating products that helps foldable phone manufacturers. So, very interesting concept. Again, like I said, we'll see if this actually does get implemented in any way toward other foldable cell phones. If I'm Microsoft here, obviously you're probably not Samsung's probably not buying this from you. OnePlus is probably not, and Google's not. But a lot of those Chinese companies that are creating foldable cell phones, this could be what gives them the edge and gets them into an international market. So, always a possibility, right? Always a possibility. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.